girls, Christina here with Kids Food Basket. This video today is to show you how to set up your corn sprout experiment that came with your Grow at Home garden kit. The items you're going to need from your kit are your corn seeds, your bag of soil, your 3 black plastic cups, and you'll need a little bit of water. To start, you're going to fill your black plastic cups, 2 of them, about halfway to 3/4 full. Then you're going to take your finger and you are going to poke 5 holes in each cup. We've provided 10 corn seeds, so we're going to put 5 in each cup for this experiment. 1 cup will be receiving light and 1 cup will stay in the dark to see what happens. When you plant, you're going to want to poke holes about 1/4 inch deep. That's about as big as your fingernail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to remove your corn seeds from your bag and place 1 in each of the holes that you just created. 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you're going to want to take your fingers and cover up the corn seeds with dirt. Make sure that they're completely covered. Okay. Just like that. You're going to give both of these cups a little bit of water. Then 1 cup you'll place in a nice sunny location, and your second cup is going to be growing in the dark to see what happens. You're going to take your 3rd black plastic cup, flip it upside down, and place it on top of the first one. You may wish to use a piece of tape to tape down the cup to make sure that it stays. After about a week, you should notice that your corn sprouts have popped and you'll be able to make observations about the differences between the two. Good luck, we can't wait to see your results.